Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can create new account on Google. So right from your mobile phone, you can create a new account on Google. So for that, you need to have Gmail or directly the Google app. Okay, here on the Google homepage, I already have a Gmail. That's why it is already logged in and showing the profile picture here. If you don't have a Gmail account which is already in this phone, you will see something like sign in here. No problem. Click on that sign in. If you already have an account, click on the profile picture. So see here, you need to click on this drop down and click on add another account. Okay, for example, if you already don't have a Gmail on your mobile, it will directly take to this step. Okay, don't worry. And here you will find an option called create an account. So this is what how you can create a new Google account right from your mobile phone. And this is for my personal use, not the business purpose, so I just opted for personal use. This new Google Gmail account is for personal use. So you can give your name whatever it may be. So I'm just giving my website name, Tech Answered. You can choose your date of birth and your gender, then click on next here at the bottom. And these are the available email addresses. So most of us, we want a specific and unique email ID of our choice, so I'll go for the third option. And here you need to enter your specific email ID and click on next. For example, if it is raises a issue like sorry, your username must be between 6 and 30 characters. Okay. Mm. See, in most of the cases, the username may not be available. In this case, you need to add the combinations here, then check, then click on the next. Okay, I'll click on the next and I'll proceed. Here where you need to choose a password and the username or the Gmail ID what you have chosen, just save it in a notepad or notes app, something like that, so that you won't forget that. And remember the password what you'll enter here also. Here, if you face any error like please choose a stronger password, it is because you may have written only choose the password only with numerics, means only numbers or only letters, or very weak password like your name or something like that. Then it will suggesting you that choose a different password with a mix of letters, alphanumeric numbers like that with some special characters. Okay, see here, Google add a phone number of your to this account. So you can opt this or you can skip this. Right now I'm just skipping this step and I'll click on next. See here, if you click on agree, you're agreeing to the all the terms and conditions of the Google. Once you click on agree, your new account on Google will be created. And when you open this Gmail, here you will have that access to that new email ID. So in this way you can actually create a new account on your Google on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.